Good morning students, 12th standard, subject statistics. Today we are going to see the fourth chapter of the statistics, which is continue, and that is time series. I have already taught you the theory plus the one method, that is least square method, and now I will be teaching you the moving average method. There are three moving average methods. Number one is 3 years moving average method. Number 2, 5 years moving average method, and number 3 is 4 years moving average method. But in calculation, 3 years moving and 5 years moving average are very easy. So now let us see the sum on 3 years moving average method. Here I have selected one sum, that is illustration 8. So take out your textbook and see the illustration number 8, where there are two columns are given. Number 1 is the week wise, the weeks from 1 to 10 are given, and the number of accounts are to be opened, that is given, and it is asked to find out the 3 years moving average method. So 3 weekly moving average method, it can be any, it depends on the sum. First one is I will draw the columns and write down as it is this both the columns. Then after one space where 3 weekly moving, I have to show the total how it comes. And third one is the 3 weekly moving average method. So now let's see how to solve that. So first rule is put a dash on both first year as well as the second. One number first week and then maybe last week. So put a dash on that. Then after do the summation of 3 weeks together. 26 plus 27 plus 26. So what is the answer, student? 79. Now this 79 would fall down in the second week, that is in the third week. So 79 minus 26 first week and plus the fourth week, and that is 25. When you sort it this, you will get the answer 78. Again 78 would come down. Out of this 78, जो second week है वो 27 माइनस कीजिए, and subsequent यहाँ पर जो plus है 5, that is added. So plus 22, answer will be 73. Again 73 would come down minus third week plus sixth week, जो आगे का है succeeding है वो आपको add करना है. So you get the answer 71. Again come down 71 minus क्या आएगा 25 and plus 25. Answer will be 71. Again come down 71. Answer will be minus 22. This would be now minus and 23 will be plus. So answer would be 72. Again you come down 72 minus 24 and plus 20 minus 24 and plus 22. So the answer would be 70. Again last 70 minus 25 plus 21. So you can see the last week, first week, both are taken under calculation. So 66. Now the next 3 weekly moving average I am going to see. So the first dash and last dash, in that 79 divided by 3, answer will be 26.33. 78 divided by 3, 26. This is the answer I am putting forward over here. 71 divided by 3, 23.67. 71 divided by 3, 23.67. 72 by 3, 24. This 70 by 3, 23.33. 66 by 3, and that is 22. So the working is very easy, just like a game. Now go for the fifth year, that is 5 years moving average method. So students, look here. Illustration number 9 in your textbook. Make the two columns like this. Give the heading 5 years moving average method. Two columns. यहाँ पे जो year है, I am going to convert into time period, and that is T. So I am going to give the numbers. First year, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 9 till 11. So there are 11 years information have been given to me. Then after you can see there is a big space which I need to show my working of the 5 years, and that is I have drawn this way, and the rest of the part that is shows the 5-year average. Now there are the rule is put a dash on first there. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 years के जितने भी 5 numbers हैं, I am going to do the summation of it. Answer will be 550. Again come down 550 minus, क्या minus करेंगे the previous year first year, and that is minus 112 plus what will be the plus sign? The plus will be 159. So answer will be 562. Again you come down 562 minus second year and plus 170. Answer will be 626. Again come down minus 93 and plus 130. So this is 663. Okay, go down 663 minus 90 and plus will be 108. So answer is equal to 681. 681 would come here, then minus 114 and plus 113. 680. 680 will come down next year. So the minus would be 159 plus will be 115. Answer will be 636. Now the average of it. So here dash, 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 dash like this. Then after 515 divided by 5, 103. 562 divided by 112.4. 663 divided by 5, 132.6. 680 divided by 5, 136. And 636 divided by 5 is equal to 127.2. Now, I hope it is clear in your mind. Do this practice at home. We are going to see the 4-year moving average method, which is tricky but needs practice. It will definitely come. So now let us solve illustration number 4. Four years moving average method we are going to see. Now students, when you write the question, leave one line, so this would be very much easier for you to solve. Illustration 10. Here I have made the column month, March, April, May, June, July, August till December. The second column is of, that is my variable 5, 3, 7, 6, 9, 10 and 9. So here this is my variable. So the month time period is going to be converted into T. So month is going to be converted into T. So the first month, March, will be my first month, second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here you can see students, I need much space right hand side where 4-month moving total is there. So I need more space, then after another pairwise total, and then after 4 weekly moving average. So these are the 3 titles we are going to learn, and that is 4-month moving total. So this is the total what I did in the previous 3rd and 5 years moving average. Then pairwise total, this is new for you. Pairwise means 4 plus 4, that way you are going to do that, and 4 weekly moving average. How to solve this sum? As I told you to leave one line gap. The first 2 lines you can see, in the middle I have put a dot. यहाँ पे dash करना है आपको. Same way in the between 9 to 10 middle you have to put a dash. Okay. Then last 2 months and first 2 months put a dash. Here dash, here dash, here dash and dash. Put dash and dash, dash and dash. So when you jot it down, you will get this like pencil. Pencil on pen, like that you will get this, so you can remember in your mind. So I have done this. So first 2 and the last 2 months are dash. Now first step is to do the total of 4 months together. For that I can see 2 or 3 के बीच में जो line है, the space which we have left it, go to 2 and 3 in the middle. वो space में जाके आपको total बताना है. So let's see that the 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6, यहाँ पे 4 month का total हो गया है, and that is 21. अब वापस 3 और 4 के बीच में जाना है. You have to go between numbers, and that is 21. बीच में आएगा यहाँ पर 3 और 4 के बीच में. वो माइनस क्या करेंगे आप? The 5th one as usual, and then add क्या करेंगे? The 5th number. ये 5 माइनस करना है फर्स्ट मंथ का, जो फिफ्थ मंथ है आपका 4 वो आपको ऐड करना है। अंडरस्टूड? सो 21 माइनस 5 plus 4, answer will be 20. Again go in the middle of 4 and 5, that is 20 would come over here minus second month and plus 8, so the answer will be 25. Again come down in the middle of 5 and 6, 25 यहाँ पे लिख दीजिए, then minus 7 and plus 9, that is succeeding month, so the answer will be 27. Again come down 27 in the middle of 6 and 7, 27 would come over here minus 6 and plus 10, so you can do this sign this way with pencil or pen, doesn't matter. So answer will be 31. Again come down 31 minus 4 and plus 8, so the answer would be 35. And then again come down 35 minus, from where I stopped, 8. So this is 8 and the last one, that is plus 9. So answer will be 36. So you can see I have covered up all the months numbers by doing so. तो 4 columns मेरी ready हो गई है. Now I am going to jump on the 5th one, and that is pair wise total. Pairing करना है हमको. So what is that pairing? Pairing यानी 2 months का total together. How it is? तो again ये दोनों के बीच में जाना है, वो भी आपको between number जैसा करना है. Go to the space of 2 numbers, and that is 21 और 20 के बीच में चले जाइए आप, and then write down 21 plus 20, 41. Go in the middle of 20 and 25. This is 20 plus 25, 45. Again go in the middle of 25 and 27. दोनों का total बताइए. 25 plus 27 is equal to 52. Then again go in the middle. 27 plus 31, 58. Again go in the middle. 31 plus 35, 66. Again go in the middle. 35 plus 36. Answer will be 71. तो आप देख सकते हैं here is a spacing verb. Here also in between spacing verb. And here now the same. यानी ये जो लिखा है उसके बाजू में ही आपको you have to write beside this only, never forget. And this is the division of 8, because this is 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. So this way the 4 weekly moving average will start from the 3rd month. ये यहाँ पर तो डैशिंग है, you can see that. 41 divided by 8, answer is equal to 5.30. 45 divided by 8, same line में लिखना है, never forget. 5.63. Again in the same line, 52 की line में लिखना है आपको. 52 divided by 8 is equal to 6.5. 58 divided by 8, 7.25. 66 divided by 8, 8.25. 71 divided by 8, 8.88. So dear students, I have completed this way. Please do practice at home. This is very important methods, 3, 5 and 4 plus least square method. So here I have completed this chapter. You can solve any sum of the exercise 4.1, 4.2 and 4.3 as well as if the sums are there in exercise 4. Do practice, it's very important as well as very easy sums, and that is chapter number 4, time series.